huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have off day how many times?
2 times.
Two Sunday off lah.
Yes.
Okay. May I know you still having a menstruation, right?
Yes.
So May 1 come already.
Yeah. Today is 30.
Oh,
Come.
so it came on Tuesday.
Yes.
So came on Tuesday, is it?
Yes.
Okay. You can help doctor lie down on the bed. Doctor check your tummy there, please. Don't keep your sandals on. Yeah. Just lie down. Have you had your lunch already?
Not yet.
Oh.
Later after this.
Oh, not too hungry, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes you never eat no blood, huh? Okay, yeah, just be like. Can you help me pull down your pants a little? Yeah, a little. Just pull down a little. I need to check. Yeah, just
This
yeah.
one.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, thank you. Those are a bit tight. You put your leg down, sorry, okay, yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, can you? I need to check the back. Yeah. Can you help me lift up your t-shirt? Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, come. This way, got your sandal. Oh, so cute. Is it comfortable to wear?
Yes.
It looks rather uncomfortable. Yeah. So may I know how much is your salary now after 8 years? How much is it?
800.
Oh, 800.
800,
Okay. We always take from this hand, right?
Okay.
Okay. You have to exercise your hand, huh? So you should be quite okay, right? 8 years already now.
Yes.
16 times the. Have you gone home for home leave before?
Oh, I just come on 21.
Or you just went home?
Yes.
Oh, okay. For 2 weeks?
45 days.
Wow, you're away for 45 days.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Oh, was any special occasion back home that you were away for
Because
so long?
my mother got breast cancer.
Oh, sorry to hear that. Oh.
That's why my employer give me
Oh, I see.
spend my time on her.
Oh. Any she went for surgery?
She never do the surgery.
Oh, I see. Oh.
Yeah.
How old is your mother?
She's 50.
Oh, very young.
Yeah,
Oh.
very young.
So is she quite stable now?
Yeah, she
She is. Lily, in case I need help, so just gently hold. If I need help to release, you just help me press here, huh?
Okay.
In case lah, huh? 1, 2, 3. It's okay, thank you. Okay, Lydia, can you help doctor press? But is she a bit well? Can she eat and all that?
Yes,
She
she.
can. Oh, okay, that's good. Comfortable lah.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, may I put a plaster for you? So for yourself, just in case some genetic, also do examining, check your breast, 2 weeks after your menses has cleared lah, do a breast examination yourself,
Oh.
just to pick, just to see any lumps or all that.
Okay.
Can you help me press here for 1 minute, Yeah, that's all. Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
doc.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Hope everything goes well for your mother.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.